Hello friends, I am Sneha and you are watching Travel Girl Sneha. In our recent tour to Mussoorie, we stayed at this heritage property named Hotel Himalayan Club. In this video, we will explore Hotel Himalayan Club in Mussoorie and see if it really lives up to its reputation as a heritage gem. The hotel is located just beside the lane of Picture Palace. It is only 5 minutes walk from Mussoorie's bus and taxi stand. There is ample parking place in the hotel, which is one of the plus point to start. The price is Rs 2000 for 2 person and additional 500 rupees for a kid. Breakfast not included. The Hotel Himalayan Clubs in Mussoorie is a fascinating piece of history, boasting an impressive blend of colonial and Indian architectural style. This stunning hotel has been in Mussoorie land for over a century and its rich history is palpable in every nook and corner. The room was big enough and had basic facility.
I'll just give you a small tour of this room. Here's a king size bed. I like it. It's big enough to take divan. But then also we have this is for the kid. If you have your kid, they will provide you the mattress for the kid, but we will take divan as the bed is so big. TV is there. Here is the washroom. It's standard. You have a geyser. Now it's standard. Whatever the price we have given, it's good. At night you have a bonfire facility here. It's very cold, but we love it. I like this place.
From the hotel window, we can hear and see the Grandeur clock tower and beautiful view of Mussoorie landscape. Room service of food and beverage is available here. This one is club room, which is more spacious along with a balcony for beautiful view of the hills. The room price is 2700 for couples. The room price may vary from season to season. The mall road is just 2-minute walk from the hotel and you can go for shopping or dinner anytime if you are staying in this hotel. So if you are coming to Mussoorie, you can check in here and have a comfortable stay. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.